Okay, 1/6 inches chicken teriyaki. 1/6 inches chicken teriyaki, Parmesan oregano bread. Okay. One chicken teriyaki and cheese and toasted sandwich. Toasting over. Okay, chicken teriyaki 6 inches. Lettuce. Very fresh lettuce and cucumber. 1, 2, and 3 cucumber. Peppers, green peppers. Okay, and onions. Okay, onions and pickles. Okay, pickles, cucumber, pickles, green pepper, and lettuce, and jalapenos. Okay, second one, chicken teriyaki with jalapeno and mayonnaise sauce, mayonnaise and southwest chipotle. Okay, and Thousand Island olive oil. So guys, wrapping time. So guys, this video, like our video and subscribe on my channel. Your favorite sandwich, my comment box. Thank you very much.